In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up for MetaMask. To get started, head over to the official MetaMask website or download the official MetaMask app on your phone. It's important to make sure you're using the official version since wallet security always comes first. Once you're there, choose the version that matches your device, whether that's a browser extension or the mobile app. After the download is complete, open MetaMask. If you installed the browser extension, launch it from your browser. If you're using your phone, just open the app as you normally would. On the welcome screen, click or tap Get Started to begin the setup process. Next, you'll choose how to create your wallet. Select Create a new wallet. Depending on the current MetaMask setup, you may also see sign-in options connected to services like Google, Apple, or Telegram. The exact screen can vary slightly, but the goal here is the same. You're starting a brand new wallet. Once that's done, you'll be asked to create a password. Choose a strong password that's difficult for others to guess, and then enter it again to confirm it. This password helps protect access to MetaMask on the device you're using, so take a moment to make it secure but still memorable for you. After that, MetaMask may provide you with a secret recovery phrase, sometimes called an SRP. This is one of the most important parts of the entire setup. Write it down carefully and store it somewhere safe and offline. Do not save it somewhere public or share it with anyone. Anyone with access to that phrase can access your wallet, so treating it like a master key is the best approach. MetaMask may then ask you to confirm the secret recovery phrase. Usually this means selecting the words in the correct order to prove that you saved it properly. Take your time here, because accuracy matters. Once you've verified everything, complete the remaining setup prompts. After that, your MetaMask wallet will be ready to use. At this point, you can explore the wallet interface and become familiar with where your balance, settings, and account details appear. Finally, you can copy your wallet address. This is your public address, and it's the one you can share when you want to receive crypto. Just remember the key safety rule: only share your public wallet address. Never share your secret recovery phrase or your private key. And that's it. You've successfully signed up for MetaMask and set up your wallet safely.